Well, I was gonna film a video, but I forgot to pick up the camera. But Philip got, is it just barbecue or honey barbecue? Honey barbecue wings.
Get it right, respect the honey.
And we got wings, it's from Wing Stop, and then I started too, and I just got hot. And some fries. And this one already ate, and she just doesn't care. She wants to eat our food. That's just how she is. Right, Maya? Oh, this looks so yummy. Maya, move! Babe, you gonna talk to them about something?
No.
What? Why?
What?
That's what you do.
No, I'm eating.
You sit there and eat and talk.
Go ahead. You can talk, You can talk, I'm eating.
I see.
You ready to go to bed?
Sorry, vegans.
Why do you say that? Because of what we're eating? We eat healthy still, sometimes. I do. Not you.
There's nothing healthy about this.
So today's my cheat day.
Today's the day she showed you she don't really care about our twins.
I do, but they have me in wings. They have me take the glucose test.
Wings.
And
It's wings, baby.
basically drink a whole lot of sugar. So why not just go all out today?
Well, why not make it worse? Chop it off.
I feel like
No.
I feel like the food. I feel like I'm fine. Like
Yeah, right.
it'll be okay.
Until you and Nate are crying.
I'm really gonna cry on it if I have to like go through contractions again.
You know what? I hope you do.
So you can hear me screaming and hollering.
I'm fall asleep.
Hopefully not.
What?
His son's gonna be born, he ain't gonna go to sleep.
Oh, that's what I will. All that crying and shit, I'll be like, nap time.
I have this cup, but it's only full of water. I don't know why I even put it in the cup.
What's that thing?
We're talking to the camera.
It's the washer, this
Oh,
the
the
dishwasher.
Somebody
It's washing
asked,
all the dishes.
someone asked me why don't I
Did you hear that?
that was Kellen, right?
No.
Oh, hey, sorry.
That's the army.
Somebody asked me why don't I burp in my mukbangs. First, yeah, like people burp. People burp in there. You're gonna scare her. And shit. Wait, watch out for my food. It's nothing.
Mom.
It's the cars. So someone asked me why don't I burp. One, I don't know how to just burp unless I have. I gotta have like soda.
You see that?
I can't see. I felt like I had to
You gotta
burp.
fake a burp to get a real burp. It's technique.
I can't do it.
Technique.
Right now, Philip is watching a basketball game. That's why he's looking over there.
I'm not looking over nowhere. The camera's in my way.
It's just blocking the score. So if you're new to our channel for like mukbangs,
It's pointless.
I don't do them all the time because we're a daily vlogging channel, but I just started doing them. I can sit there and watch people eat on YouTube.
Only fat people can do that.
I'm pregnant, so I have an excuse.
No excuses.
I can literally just watch people eat. And they be eating like all kind of stuff. It makes you want to try new things. Man, Philip's almost done.
Almost. I am done. You sleepy? Hold on, baby. Daddy, almost done.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many wings you gave me? Did I get more of you?
Nope.
This stuff is hot. I'm starting to sweat.
You hit that. Good shot. I'm gonna hurt.
Why? Ate too much?
No.
Yeah, I don't know what time it is. What time is it, Philip?
I'm gonna go sleep.
It's late.
It's up past 11.
And this one up.
She always up. Yeah.
I would have got coleslaw instead on the side, but he always forgets to get it. He didn't even get the lemonade.
If you don't lick your fingers, then you childish.
Who don't lick their fingers?
People. Excuse me, can I have a napkin?
I asked for nothing.
No, I'm licking it.
My stuff is hot.
And then, what you used to dry.
Don't wipe your hands on me.
What's up, baby? And kiss.
Are you full?
I'm done. What are you talking about?
You still got fries.
I don't even like they fries like that.
No, it's fries you got.
Yeah, I can see it.
Hold it up while I'm spilling it. What's your name? Tell them your name.
Daddy.
No, what's your name?
Eva.
No, that's the baby's name.
Ava.
That's one of our twins' names.
Aiden and Ava.
What's your name?
Eva.
No, your name is Maya.
Yeah.
And you can be whoever you want to be.
How old are you, Maya?
1.
Say 2, Daddy.
Say I'm 1.
She is 2.
So I'm a freak of nature.
Babe, watch that. She's gonna put her leg in a ranch.
So I'm a big 1-year-old.
Y'all, Philip is obsessed with ranch. He gets like a whole bowl of ranch. And I got like a little dab of ranch. And he ate it all. Did he save you some?
Yeah.
Can you get up? Up.
Me?
No.
Babe. She just said, I'm glad you had no ketchup.
The fries. No. No.
She doesn't even like the fries, y'all.
You know what? He ugly.
I feel like I'm alone in this now.
Come on, wow, she put it in her mouth. She put the fry. Man, let me get your water.
Hell no, it's not cold.
Hell no. What'd you just say? Hell no.
I'm sweating.
That's what fat people do when they eat that.
No, it's fucking hot. You didn't like the fry. So she spit the fry out. She's so good. Oh, well. I don't think I can eat no more. You hear me?
You better eat all 10 of them fucking wings.
Huh?
You better eat all 10 of them wings.
You got me 10? Hey, give me a little water.
Hey, look at her crawling.
Say, stop it, Daddy.
Monster. I know the crawler jets. Hey, what y'all do with all that?
Let us know down below what other kind of videos y'all want to see. And that's my other one. I thought she was asleep. Yeah, give me that other water. What kind of videos y'all want to see? Like, what else y'all want to see us? Not videos, but what y'all want to see us eat. Philip would do it. He just sat here and did it this time. But I think I'm done, y'all. I got 2 more left after this one. I'm glad to
Where you
finish
talking to, Mama?
You should have slaved to the meat.
the camera, guy.
Daddy.
What?
Mama, food smells delicious.
Alright, y'all. Talk to y'all later.
Amaya, get up.
Let me get my water real quick.
Daddy, Mama, food smells delicious.
Dude, go throw this in church. Peace.
Bye.
Damn, I had it. I had the burp.
She turned on the camera just.
Because everybody didn't want to see me burp. I had it. I had drink some water. But I just cannot burp like that. This is room temperature water.
Hi. Hey. When we end the video?
I did. And I can't eat anymore, y'all. I'm done. I'm all done. Yeah, I didn't hear that part. I said, wait, I feel it coming. Well, I said, I feel it, and I just burped.
Drain, bruh.
But not change the game. girl shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Went from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like.